Alright, y'all. We're gonna be installing the lower part of my Blaze Performance intake on my Mark 7 here. So basically, this is what happened. I was autocrossing, and after my second lap, this shit just broke, just like that. It was just hanging. I was like, what the hell? So it's been hanging there ever since. Been waiting on this part. Finally came in. So we're gonna swap it over. Just trying out this POV. On y'all on the hat right now. All right, y'all. Let's get started. I brought a couple tools from work. And the old Milwaukee bag right here. Man, this GoPro's really weighing the hat down. Come on now, y'all see it? This is what we're gonna be needing, y'all. Let's go get the other part. Pretty hot out. Okay, there it is with the hardware. So I have it routed like that. I forgot what size that is. Seems to be a 3. Man, it's hot out, y'all. I'm all sweaty. There's one. Shout out to Blaze Performance. I literally messaged them day of when this happened, and man, responded. I emailed them. They responded fast. Very helpful. Updated me on you know, the package, the tracking info, and all that. All right, there we are. If I remember correctly, you have to bend this. Get the old pocket screwdriver. Just like that. One started. Let's get the snug. There we are. Okay. Let's get this other part out. Oh, that thing's in there. Alright, y'all. Got the piece out. That thing was jammed in there. Just took a pocket screwdriver, kind of pried it out. It worked its way out, as y'all can tell. That's what happened. Just clean off. Hopefully this one's stays on. And yeah. Let's get this situated. Maybe we can get this in there first. Let's get this clamp on before I forget. And the manifold. Ooh, that fucking motor's hot. At an angle for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. Let's get the trim on. Pretty much get this back. Go for a little ride. There we go. There it is. Right, y'all. Let's go for a little drive. We do a little walk around. A little talk on what I have done. So right now it's basically stage 2 EQT on an IS-20. So just stage 2 on 93. Some Koze K1s on some Bridgestone RE71 RZs, the newer ones. Borla S-type catback. Unitronic downpipe, Fortunato coilovers. That's about it. Oh, 034 Motorsport rear sway bar and dog bone insert. That's pretty much it. It's pretty fun. Definitely have, you know, bigger plans in the future. Maybe upgrading the turbo and all that. And yeah. It's a little loud, more than I would like it to be, but I mean, that's what you get when I mean, it has no muffler and, you know, small cat. I mean, it's pretty loud, but I don't know. I might switch back to this OEM catback. We'll see. Right now, I'm just enjoying it. Out in my neighborhood, and I'll get on it, let it warm up also. It's pretty loud. know if it's my neighbor's off. Alright. What are we at on battery life? 9%. I gotta make this quick. Flutter, but you can barely hear it now. The exhaust just tones it down. There you go. Kind of heard it there. Dog's barking at me. It's the fire department. Thought there was a loop over here I could turn around at. I don't want to pull in one of these dudes' driveways. Oh, here we go. Yeah, my goddamn car picks up all the fucking rocks. GoPro battery's about to die. It's at 2%, y'all. Just gonna end it here.